Wow!
It's all Rubik's Cube. I like Rubik's Cube.
Wow! What is that, kuya?
It's a Rubik's Cube from the... What's a Rubik's Cube?
Wow!
What's this sponsored by?
Sponsored by you.
Lola! How about Bobby?
Welcome.
What Bobby?
What is that, Bobby? Oh my!
Wow, it's
What will you say to Lola? Hey! Papa.
my niece.
Wow! Did you like it, kuya?
I like this one.
Thank you to Lola.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you
Thank you to Lola.
for open this.
You just rip the box.
Like, okay. I actually want to keep the packaging like that I like it. Wow.
Wow!
I got
Oh, yun
the 4 and I got the 6. This one is from the small one.
You can start with the simple one.
Yeah. But usually I go with the simple one before I go to hard, but I'm doing this unmatching it.
Pwede na na-imoy. Ano may kanilog na ban?
Pwede na, pwede na.
Okay.
Ah, tayo
Ay,
ba
balik.
ito ba yan?
Shake.
What is that, Bobby?
Wow.
What's it? Can you read what does it says?
Let's go.
Let's go! Wow! Oh wow!
There you go.
Bobby likes it.
Iba, you play this with teacher Ira and teacher Butch? The puzzle pa, the color?
Teka, magnetic board mo, wala mo wala? Magnetic board mo, ano no? Dire?
Otelo, di ba? Ano naman ito Otelo?
Telo.
Here, Bobby, here.
You put it here.
All,
No. Wow!
wow, all red, all red.
All red.
Ay, kuya, be. Sige, be.
Gini
I'm
ka
gonna
tulog
solve
ba?
this so easy.
Bebe, kiba pa gina papa be? Be?
I will solve this one. Or maybe we switch. You solve the big one, I solve.
Wait.
Yeah, with the green. Yeah, Lola, go fast, fast.
Gano'n pa niya pinaspasok ko.
Okay,
Bawat dan, bawat
wins.
Mahadlok, bawat dan, huwag ka ng bilog. Mas uptick pa sa kanya.
Yung rola ni kay blakan man ni mo imong kontra, di ba?
Oh.